Is there a difference between Dubai and India's work culture? As 30% of Dubai's population are Indians. What is the level of professionalism here in Dubai? How is the work ethics? Is there a strict hierarchy and structure being followed here in Dubai? How is the work environment? Is there a dress code being followed? Is there a work-life balance? Is it all about work or people have a social life as well apart from work? All in all, Dubai's work culture is better than India. Work culture in Dubai and what to expect. This is what we will be discussing in today's video. Hi guys, my name is Vaishali. I'm an architect and interior designer, and on this channel I make videos related to interior designing and architecture. To know more about my personal journey here in Dubai, make sure you check out my previous videos, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that, and also turn on the notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. To begin with, I have had experience of working in 3 different workplaces here in Dubai, out of which one is my current company where I'm working. So this is going to be based on my personal experience of working here in Dubai versus my 8 years experience of working in India with different private companies and corporate companies and also startups. And what is different here? Now, India is very well known for its diversity, but Dubai is also not behind. First thing you will see in any company here is people of different nationalities working together and bustling the work environment. This is the incredible diversity I'm talking about when working in Dubai. Different nationality होने की वजह से obviously there's a mix of different cultures, and the same is reflected in workplaces. You will be working with people from all over the world, and each and every individual brings in their own perspectives and experiences from which you get to learn a lot of new things. And when you have exposure to these new experiences from different people, आपका perspective काफी हद तक चेंज हो जाता है. And this is basically a learning curve जिससे you grow into a different person. Your personality also changes with these experiences. And this is not only good for your career growth, but it helps in your personal development as well, which is extremely important for every individual, I feel. So if you are coming to Dubai for work and let's say you are a shy person and little hesitant to talk, you need to be more open-minded and flexible because it is going to be one hell of experience for you. अगर मैं अपने खुद की बात करूँ, so initially मुझे definitely थोड़ा hesitant फील होता था एंड थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल भी फील होता था. कल्चरल शॉक मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, बट या आई मीन इट वाज अ स्ट्रेंज एक्सपीरियंस इन द बिगनिंग इनिशियली लाइक फॉर 2-3 months, but slowly I have become more comfortable working here in Dubai. I mean, I have grown myself in becoming this person where now I feel very easy to work in such workplaces, and I have learned and still learning so much every day from others. Also, my perspective has changed a lot, and I have a different approach as well to perform my daily tasks and work on projects in general. What is the level of professionalism here in Dubai? What's the work ethic like? From my experience, I must say Dubai has a very strong work ethic, and as far as the professionalism is concerned, the workplaces here in Dubai are extremely professional. Again, this is according to my personal experience and the companies where I have worked so far here in Dubai. It may be different from some other companies, but I don't really know about that. This is basis my personal experience. So there was this company where I worked for a few months. वहाँ पे the management was fully Indian, and even the professionalism there was at peak. I mean, people in Dubai in general are very professional and they take their jobs very seriously. I'm talking about management in Indian companies and Indian management in a company here in Dubai. Because one company where I worked in India, the management was extremely unprofessional and unethical. So coming from my experience in India, my experience in Dubai for professionalism is extremely good so far. Apart from this, I feel people are so punctual here. Like I mentioned, everyone takes their jobs very seriously and they are extremely professional, and they have a strong sense of responsibility and commitment to their jobs, which is something I have been appreciating and learning from it. Is there a strict hierarchy and structure being followed here? Now in Indian company, again as per my experience, certain companies where I have worked, I have seen the hierarchy is not being followed. I mean, manager को ना बोल के manager को बोल रहे हैं and all of that. Now in Dubai, it's not like that at all. The hierarchy and structure is followed strictly, and everyone has a respect for seniority and structure, and communication के लिए भी proper channels follow करना is a common practice here in Dubai. And हर company में ये protocol होता ही है and hierarchy होती ही है. It's not just Dubai, it's all over the world, even in India, everywhere around the world. In India, I felt that hierarchy and structure जो है वो इतना follow नहीं होता, at least for the companies where I have worked. Is there a work-life balance in Dubai? In India, I would say this, there was no work-life balance at all in the companies where I have worked. And this was throughout 8 years of my professional career in India. I used to work like crazy. I used to work on weekends, weekdays. I mean, deadlines ho to samajh mein bhi aata hai, like once in a month or twice in a month if there are deadlines and you're working on weekends. I accept that. I agree to that. But I was always overworked in India in my industry. Deadlines है अगर तो समझ में आता है कि थोड़ा वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस में स्ट्रगल होता है एक दो दिन इज फाइन बट इंडिया आई हैड नो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एट ऑल टू बी ऑनेस्ट एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी बर्न्ड आउट every now and then. But here in Dubai, I definitely have a breather and there's a proper work-life balance. I do not even feel these burnout sessions every now and then. I mean, once in a while, it's fine. And here in Dubai, people actually respect that aspect of work-life balance and they give priority to that. I would say otherwise for sales and marketing jobs because I think it's universal all over the world. They are always overworked 24/7. They are working. So I don't know. But service industry here in Dubai, they do care about the work-life balance and they strictly follow that as well. Is it all about work or people do have a social life as well? I think my work-life balance point explains this point as well. People do have a social life here and even I have a social life here and I quite enjoy my time here in Dubai on weekends. That's all I have to say about this point. Now, how is the work environment? Is there a dress code being followed here in Dubai? So when it comes to dress code, Dubai's work environment is traditionally quite formal. People dress very professionally here. You will see guys in suits and girls in skirts, trousers and blazers. As an architect, I usually find myself dressing in business casual attires and I love wearing blazers and jackets and skirts. Let me put it this way, everyone here in Dubai likes to dress very well and look very professional in their suits and blazers. So yes, even if there's no dress code, you will see professionals in blazers and suits and ties and girls in their high heels. Very classy. I just love it. All in all, Dubai's work culture is better than India. My thoughts, yes, absolutely Dubai's work culture is better than India as per my personal experience. I feel it's just the service industry, it's so consuming in India. It just breaks you. But it was good for me as well because it makes me really thick-skinned. I grew so much as well professionally and dealing with different kind of people. Learned a lot in Indian companies, to be honest. And also I would say I became more street smart because of the situations I was put in and kind of experiences I had. Politics तो हर company में होती ही है. Politics के बिना corporate life is incomplete, I would say. So this was all about the work culture in Dubai and what to expect, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and I will see you.